way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends. Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal made impressions on me. Have we met before? Possibly in Michigan, in some strange department store. We won't see him anymore.
I ain't happy, I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long, the future is coming on. I ain't happy. Tiptoe by the window, that is where I'll be. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh, with me.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long, it feels weird. Oh boy. A nice long one here. Come on! Oh, there we go. I was trying so hard to not get this into my eyebrows. Nice. Oh. But that's not it. We got these ones too. Ah! Boom. That's it. Now I need to go wash my face. All clean now. I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube, so feel free to check it out. Have a great day, you guys! Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves, like... My sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like... I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower and you guys have an amazing day. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone.
It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Whoop. This took way too long to put on. Oh God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This was SCP-106, also known as the Old Man. I used the gelatin life hack for this, and this is the weirdest thing I've had on my body, and I've had a lot of weird things. It's not coming out right. You know what I mean. I genuinely have no idea how to take this off. This is taking forever. Taking my contacts out? I've been wanting to yank this thing pretty much ever since I put it on. Let's do it. This stuff comes off so weirdly. Like, it's solid in some places. And then in the others, it's literal just gelatin. Anyways, let's do the smile. Oh, it's not too bad. I take that back. Can't stop there, though. I forgot about that part. Okay, we're almost there. I'll clean now. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 Deadly Sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair. But I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching.